Hello guys. I am playing a game. Well, I am just playing random games, okay? Like I always do. Normal, right? But today I'm gonna play Dogson, which is, I guess, one of my favorite games. It's one of them. Yeah, I'm gonna pause the video and save time. Alright, guys, scratch that idea. It wouldn't load for some reason. Every time I tried to make it load, it wouldn't work. So instead, we are going. I'm gonna. Alright, we're gonna download a similar game. See if I can get one of these. But I want to make it an online one.
Hey, you're walking. Oh my god, it's not see. Like when you die, I'm looking it out. Stop. I know.
I'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, look what's working now. Alright, so I was looking for a game and stuff, and I couldn't find one. So then I went back to Mouse Simulator and looked at like what people said again.
Yeah.
But then I said, oh, screw it, I'm gonna try it, and then I tried it. So is any of my friends online? Nope, none of my friends are online. Alright, join custom one. I'll be right back with me inside one. You have to jump and swing to grab the helicopters. Alright guys, I am here. Which you probably just watched me try to join things. It does that a lot of times, okay?
So a little bit simple.
Oh, the building's collapsing! You just destroyed a building. Sorry about that, guys. My cousin's over here playing one of my games. Alright. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, sorry about that. To you guys, it's probably a second. To me, probably a little bit longer. Alright, well.
How do I eat it?
So, I'm just gonna say hi. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh. That's what I was doing. I know.
What did I just take damage from? What the heck?
It didn't work. Yeah, it was that.
That one side.
That's the rainbow. I have to do it. This one.
Oh my god, I can't spell. You tube. Oh my god, I can't spell. Because making a
Oh my god.
oh god, I didn't say it right. So it is YouTube because I'm making a vid. Sorry, look what time it is. It's 12 o'clock. Yeah.
Oh my
Pretty
god.
late. It's pretty late. Cool. So I didn't spell it right, so they're probably like, what the heck is going on? Everyone's just like, cool.
Oh. That's so funny. He goes like this.
I love doing this. Doop.
It's on challenge.
Oh, what's my channel? King of the. I have no idea if this is how you spell it.
How?
Well, you have to throw close up to the side. I will destroy you. Get away from me.
Best drops. Everyone's just. I could be. Oh my god! What the heck? Guess what? I like to jump over people. Whoop! Jump! No! I'm sorry for jumping. Jump! Jump! Jump away! Jump away! Jump away! Jump away! They will never catch me. Whoop! Oops, you never see a, oh my god, a dog.
Look how pretty color it is. It's a pretty color.
For me to, but my real name. Oh, I have no idea what they're talking about. I'm just gonna jump around. I like jumping. Jump. How long is this? 8 minutes. Really nothing. Alright, well, this was kind of fun while it lasted. Alright, I guess my next game that I should play. Oops, put that over there. Next game I'm going to play. I have no idea what game I want to play next. I'm gonna pause it and find out. See you guys. I found one. It is a similar game, but what is the similar game? Fine, I'm gonna do this just because look how cute their eyes are. You cannot say those are not cute. The little tiny kittens. Little tiny kittens. They fly like a kitten. This is, oh god, oops, what am I hitting? Alright, here I go. I'm going to download it. In the next episode, I will play this game, for sure. Which I'm going to probably make after this, just to tell you guys. Alright, I'm going to turn that down for first. Second thing. Ooh, I forgot I got Beth. Do not ask me why I named her Beth. I cannot think of any other name that would be simple. Yes, we all on somewhat of a higher name. Oh my god. Give me guys a sec. Alright, I'm back. I'm changing this to no, I keep putting it on backwards. There we go. I'll be right back. Alright, you do not want to believe of what I am joining. I am joining something really good, and you do not want to know what it is. Girl. And I was like, ooh, this one has the most people. It had the most players on it. Last I checked, it said it had like 5. That doesn't include me though.
I can see the metal outside.
Oh my god. Can I retry?
No,
Please. You have to retry.
doesn't matter.
This is weird, I guess. I don't know why I like doing it. Holy, so many people dying, and so many strong people.
Okay,
You make for YouTube.
hot means up first, cold means on first.
No, hot means you, yeah.
Me.
Cold.
I think I spelled make on. Sorry guys, I'm tired right now.
Freezing.
It is 12:55. Here, I'm gonna be a nice person. I'm gonna do this.
Hot, 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 hot.
I'm gonna show you. It's nighttime. Look out there. Here, let me switch the video. Camera. Sorry, switch it. Look how nice it looks out there. Really dark.
Cold, cold, cold.
Alright.
Hot, hot.
What does son say? Don't have said it. Alright, I'm not the end of this, like right here, guys. Thank you for watching, which I'm really sorry it was short.
Okay, now hot or cold, alright? Again.
Okay.
I'm really glad you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys did enjoy this episode, please leave a like and subscribe. It is a lot of hope. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Dang it, I tried to make it 20.
Oh god. Sorry. Bye.